Namaskar students. I have listened so many times like students are saying chemistry is a mystery. है ना, रात को पढ़ते हैं सुबह तक भूल जाते हैं and all that. So I will try my best to help you to solve that mystery with some easy tricks, with some techniques. And today we are going to cover topic electron dot structure of covalent compounds. See, there are two methods to draw the electron dot structure of covalent compounds, but I will tell you the easy one. Otherwise there can be so many. In other videos also you have checked so many methods to draw this electron dot, or we can say Lewis structure, but easiest way I am going to tell you. For that, first of all you need to remember hydrogen can form maximum 1 bond, oxygen can form 2, nitrogen can form 3, halogens like chloride, fluoride, bromide and iodide can also form 1 bond, and sulfur is very exceptional element which can form 2, 4 and 6 bonds. Phosphorus can form 3 and 5 bonds. Okay, once again we are repeating, hydrogen can form 1, oxygen can form 2, nitrogen can form 3, halogen can form 1. Halogen means all 4 elements which are chloride, fluoride, bromide, iodide. Sulfur and phosphorus are brilliant enough, they can form various types of bonds. As you can see, sulfur can form 2 as well as 4 as well as 6 bonds. Phosphorus can form both 3 and 5 bonds. This will help us a lot to draw the structure. For example, I want to draw first of all hydrogen's electron dot structure. Now I know there are 2 elements of hydrogen and hydrogen form just 1 bond. That means this is the possible bond structure of hydrogen. So this should be our first step. What we have done, we have drawn bond structure first of all. This is our first step. Focus it carefully. Second thing, what you do now, imagine we want to remove this bond. Just we are imagining, because if we are removing the bond then existence of molecule will not be there, but we are just imagining. And for this you must know, whenever any bond is present, so at the both corner there will be electrons, because bond will be always present in between the electrons only. This you all know that. So what we will do in the second step, imaginary removal of the bond. Now we are removing the bond. So electrons will be left as it is. What we have done, there was a bond and just in between we have removed the bond. Okay, so what is left there? Only 2 electrons. This is our second step. What? Remove the bond. Imaginary, I am repeating once again, we are just erasing the bond, we are not breaking the bond. Now the third step. In third step you need to check the octet rule. Octet rule, as you all know, there must be 8 electrons in the outermost, but we know that hydrogen is the smallest element. So maximum electrons in the outermost can be only 2. With this hydrogen, 2 electrons are already present, because you see we are talking about covalent compounds, that means sharing of the electrons. So these 2 electrons are in the sharing mode by both the hydrogen. So with this hydrogen, these 2 electrons, that means for this hydrogen it is satisfied. When we talk about the second hydrogen, with this hydrogen also 2 electrons, that means for this hydrogen also it is satisfied. Now you can see with this hydrogen also 2 electrons, with this hydrogen also 2 electrons, and this is electron dot structure of hydrogen molecule H2. Now you may think any other somewhat complicated ones. Okay. Second example, let us take O2, oxygen gas. Okay. O2 is a molecule of element. because there are similar elements present. This we have studied already in class 9th. So second example which we are choosing, that is O2. Same. What was the first step? Draw the bond structure. And by this we know oxygen can form maximum 2 bonds. So oxygen has formed 2 bonds. Again first step, bond structure. Now second, remove the bond as I told you. So electrons to be presented. We are presenting electron by dots. We can present it by cross also. But because both the elements are same, so by the same manner we have presented their electrons. Now we will go to the third step, which is important to be focused here, which was follow octet rule. Octet rule says that 8 electrons, as you know. See, with this oxygen, 1, 2, 3, 4 are already present. That means still 4 more electrons are pending. Octet means 8. 1, 2, 3, 4 we have drawn. 4 more are pending. So again you draw this. 4 which are pending now, draw somewhere. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now you please check carefully. With this oxygen, 1, 2, 3, 4 electrons were in sharing mode, and 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th electron, octet complete. So with this oxygen now octet complete. What about this oxygen? We cannot be partial. We have to focus on both the oxygens. So this oxygen, 1, 2, 3, 4 again, 5, 6, 7, 8. So octet for this oxygen is also completed now. So these 8 electrons are with this oxygen. Done. See, isn't it so easy? Oxygen's electron dot structure. Now up till now we have done 2 examples wherein you have checked similar elements. For your own practice, you can do Cl2, N2. You can practice for H2O. Now you will think, okay, these two are about the similar elements, but in this case 2 different elements are present. So what is to be done for this? One example I am explaining you. The same method will be applicable always. Whichever example you will take, same method will be applicable. And hardly few minutes only you will take in the exam to draw. It is very important from exam point of view. And this year, moreover, it is of more importance, because see, hardly 3 topics are left as per CBSE. They have deleted the course also. So there are 3 topics: carbon, covalent compound, electron dot structure, and homologous series. So this is important. Let us now see how to draw electron dot structure of this kind of compound. H2O. In this we know oxygen will be the central atom which will form 2 bonds. Hydrogen will form 1 bond. So by practice you will know that this will be the first step. You have drawn bond structure. Again the easiest way, as we have done. Hydrogen, electrons will be present. Now in this you have to decide 2 different elements. So I have decided hydrogen I want to present by dot, but oxygen I want to present by cross. So hydrogen by dot, oxygen by cross. There was a bond. Recall what we did, we just removed the bond, we just erased the bond from between. Now with this oxygen again dot, and this bonds only I have presented. Now focus on third step. What was it? Octet rule. For this hydrogen 2 electron, satisfied. This hydrogen is quite okay with that. Sorry, there will be hydrogen. With this hydrogen also quite okay with it. 2 electrons. But in case of this oxygen there is little bit change. See, with this oxygen in the sharing mode 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 electrons are only present, 4 more electrons to be there. So 5, 6, 7, 8. Now this oxygen is satisfied. अब oxygen का पेट भर गया है, because oxygen has taken all 8 electrons here. You can count in this circle with the oxygen 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Octet completed. So this way we can draw electron dot structure. Similarly, you can practice for CO2, SO2. There are some more complicated molecules also which we will study in our next video. So please keep watching, and if you will subscribe you will be benefited by that, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe this my YouTube channel. Thank you so much.